In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Demo Account. If you've ever wanted to practice trading without risking real money, this walkthrough will help you get comfortable with the process from start to finish. First, open the Binance app on your device and make sure you're logged in. For the smoothest experience, keep your app updated to the latest version so the interface matches what you see here. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm you're on the home screen and everything has loaded properly. Next, head to the Futures section. On the bottom menu, tap Futures. This takes you to the Futures trading page, which is different from Spot. You'll notice elements like margin, leverage, and contract types that are specific to derivatives. Don't worry if it looks advanced. The demo mode will let you explore safely. Now find the demo mode option on this Futures page. Look for a label such as Demo Trading or Mock Trading. Depending on your app version and region, it might appear near the top of the screen, inside a banner, or in a small toggle or menu. When you see Demo Trading or Mock Trading, tap it to proceed. From here, start your demo account. Tap Start Demo. The system will instantly credit your demo balance with virtual USDT. This is simulated money only, so there's no need to deposit or connect any real funds. The purpose is to give you a realistic feel for order placement, leverage adjustments, and position management without financial risk. Keep a few important notes in mind while you practice. Demo mode uses fake money only. You cannot withdraw it or convert it to real assets. It's designed primarily for futures trading, so features and contracts mirror the futures environment. Prices and fills in demo can be slightly different from the live market because it's a simulation, and that means results you see here might not match real executions. Treat it strictly as a learning and testing space. Use this environment to get familiar with setting order types, adjusting leverage, and monitoring margin and liquidations, all while understanding how fees and risk controls might appear. Take your time to observe how positions move when prices change and practice managing entries and exits methodically. The goal is to build confidence and a repeatable routine before you ever consider trading live. That's it. Open the app, go to Futures, tap Demo Trading or Mock Trading, and hit Start Demo to begin practicing with virtual USDT. Explore thoughtfully, take notes, and focus on learning. Thanks for watching, and happy practicing.